No, this is for YouTube. Everybody say hi to YouTube. Yeah. This is the crew, guys. We're here at the riverfront. Gonna do some cleanup. Got our gloves. Got something to drink. We are ready to roll.
Okay, you got bags? You're bringing it. You can carry that, huh? Yeah, if you want, you can leave it here. These guys are not Oh, we're going back here. Okay.
Say hello, Lyndon.
Hello.
This is my friend Lyndon, guys. She's gonna be my trash buddy. We all need trash buddies.
We certainly do.
Dogs.
What's the name of the school that you're working at? British Academy. Oh, okay. In Siem Reap? Yes. Oh, cool.
So just, you guys organize, like, you know, here as well as somebody, if you could do the river's edge and on there. We'll do the same on the other side.
Yeah.
Huh? You okay?
Oh, cool.
All right, guys. We're gonna go down by the river's edge. That's where all the bad things happen in rock songs and movies. Oh yeah. The adventure begins. You might be witnessing my death. It'll be all right. This is the section of the river we're going to clean up. You can see there's a lot, well, not lots of garbage, but there's enough. There's some dogs taking a bath. Talk to you later. No need to take a shower today, that's correct. Woo, 2 bags down. Well, 2 bags down from down by the river. Many, many more up here. Everybody's working, gathering the garbage. It's like the gathering of the juggalos, except it's garbage. So kind of the same thing because, yeah, they're juggalos. Anyway, we're waiting more bags. The river ends right down there. Look, a shoe. Find of the day right there. If you can find the other one, we can get $1 on eBay.
You have the other shoe, right?
No,
Oh.
You don't have the other
I've
shoe.
only got no shoes. I had a tyre, in a tube for a tyre.
Oh. I got a raid bottle. So together we could make nothing. Nothing goes together.
We could get the
We can MacGyver something. We can make a raft if we if we had to. Oh yeah, we can grill the river fish on that. All the river fish in here have 2 tails.
Plant or fat. Like, you know, you could get it on the wall with a nail and
Yeah. I can see that. Probably keep it outside though because it smells like, well.
yeah, and God knows what's on it.
Yeah.
And there's the other rest of the tyre on the other side. The bottom.
There it is.
It's got the end tube. That's the tyre.
We're 2/5 of the way to a bicycle, people. I'm sure we'll find all the other parts further down there. Making money, old-fashioned way. Ooh, found some stuff down by the river. Found a little spirit house here during the cleanup. Very heavy. It's all intact. Found some of these. Those are used in the spirit house. Of course, you got the Buddha. Some other knickknacks. Could be cleaned up, I guess. Don't know what I'm doing with them. There's my bag down there. Second full bag. Looking good. Very hot. I'm gonna go have a little break. And can see everybody's working. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, Lyndon went over the bridge on her way back to her apartments. I have to go up here. Saw this graffiti wall. Looks pretty cool. Nobody seems to mind that there's a wall full of graffiti. It could have even been put up there for that purpose. But it's not as big of a deal as it is in some countries. Anyway, on my way back home, I'm taking a walk along the river. Awesome looking tree right there. Looks like a mouth. Rockabilly's restaurant and bar. This is an area I've been in before, but I was walking back from the night market and it was completely dark, so there was no sense really taking any video. But you couldn't see anything. Nice view of the lake. The lake, or the river, I should say. That's not a lake. Get across the street. Wait for the tuk-tuk. Yes, that was a very fun day today with the river cleanup. Met some great people from all around the world. We had, of course, South Africa, New Zealand, France, Germany. Cannot forget my two new German friends. And the United States. For me, I was representing Michigan. The guy who organized the event from Pennsylvania. Philly boy. He's a Philly boy. And then another gentleman who left a little early, so I didn't get to get him on any video, but he was from California. So yeah. Nice little mix. So one thing I love about this country, and we talked about it when we were having burgers and beer afterwards, people come here for a reason. Some people may have different reasons than others. But anybody who chooses to come over here and live There's kind of a bond there, no matter where in the world you're from, because you did something that's not considered normal. In some cases, as I found out, very abnormal for some people. They were not, their families were not supportive at times. But there's something that draws people to certain places. And so even if you're from a different part of the world, you might have different interests, you might have different upbringings, you might have different thoughts on a variety of things. You can bond over the one thing you have in common, which is that you uprooted your entire life in your home country to move to a different country. That's a pretty big thing to bond over, because it's a huge decision. According to Google Maps, the walk back from where I was at Swiss Asia restaurant was going to take me 23 minutes to get back to my apartment. On the map, it didn't look like it would take 23 minutes. And of course, we stopped off at the, as you saw earlier, we stopped off at a little market that we found right behind the Hard Rock Cafe here in Siem Reap. In case you're wondering and want to find it, that's where it is. Go to the Hard Rock Cafe and go around the back. There's the little market. But yeah, we stopped there. That took, 20 minutes or so. But even with that, I don't think it would have taken me 23 minutes to walk back. That just doesn't seem correct. And in about a half hour, I'll be going, I lied. It was so far. Because what do I know? Yep. Cell card, big love plan. That's what I'm on. $1 equals $250 in data. Phone calls, text, data. I try to understand how my data plan works. I think everybody, if you have some sort of plan, whether it's prepaid or not, you're aware of your limits, you're aware of how many gigs you get. But I still have no idea. I just use it. So far I have not run out of data ever. And I use my hotspot to tether my laptop and sometimes Google Chromebook if my internet is being weird. I got my hotspot. And even with all that, I have not run out of data. And it costs $1 a week, as I've said before. So here we go. Looks like this is it. Street 20. That's me. Just gotta walk up right up there. All the way down there is Watbo Road. And then I'm just up the road from that. So that was my day. We did a river cleanup, met some new friends, stopped at a market, had a good burger and a beer, and now I'm going to go home and take a shower because it was definitely hot and sweaty And I've got river mud on me. That is probably, as we speak, giving me a flesh-eating virus. Or something. Yeah, probably not, but you never know. So I'm going to end this vlog now. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.